Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making two glam modern vases. And so what you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants. These crystal pendants are from Efavormart. You will need some of this floral diamond wrap, also from Efavormart. And I have some silver glitter from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you will need 4 of these square vases or mini vases or candle holders. And I have some tacky glue, clear tacky glue. You can find this at Dollar Tree or Walmart. And I also have a little paintbrush from Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. So let's get started. Okay, you guys. Now, didn't these Glam Vases turn out absolutely beautifully, and they were so easy to make? And just let me know which one you guys prefer. Do you prefer the crystal version of the vase, or do you prefer the silver version? But anyway, let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.